Hi! How are you guys doing? Good? So far so good? We are now in lesson 6 already. Well done guys. Thank you for your responses and your submission of your homework. You guys did a very good job. Okay, so so far we only learned about bearing itself without involving harder type of questions. Okay, so from this lesson onwards, questions are getting harder because it will involve Pythagoras theorem, SOHCAHTOA, sine rule, cosine rule, and all the angles knowledge that you need to know. Okay, you please stay tuned. Okay, catch up. If you cannot, please let me know immediately. Okay, and I will explain every single questions about your homework. I will discuss with you every single questions. But if you already know, you can skip. Okay, you can fast forward. It's all up to your learning pace. Okay, you already know your learning pace, but if you want to just listen one more time, it's all up to you also. Okay, right, so see you guys. Let's get started. So I'm gonna discuss previous lesson 5. So we start from question 26. Okay, question 25, can you please tick the answer first? 25, 27, 34 and 36. Okay, so question 26 here, if you don't know how to do this question, okay, as I say, you always look from the word from, okay. From C is 76, okay, it's 76 degree. So from C here, you form a north, and the angle of CS, you draw the line of CX, connect the line connecting CS, and this is the angle 76. So now we need to find the bearing of C from S. So from S, from a north, okay, and then all the way to here, because it's CS, CS here. So this angle is the angle that you need to find. So alternate Z here is 76, so here is 180. So this whole bearing here is 180 plus 76, and it's 256. So the answer for this bearing is 256. Okay, take this answer if correct. Okay, question 28. From C from S, okay, from S, from S, form a north 252 connecting line CS. 252 is this whole thing, and you need to find the bearing of C from C, of S from C. So from C here, form a north, and then CS connecting line, and this is the angle that you need to find. Okay, so this is 252, and alternate angle, if you can see, is like this. Okay, so this angle here is 252 minus 180. Okay, this is 180 minus 252 minus 180. You will get this yellow one, and this yellow one will be the same as this. Okay, so the answer for this is 72. So bearing is 072. Don't forget to put the 0. Okay, no. Okay, if 3 digit. Okay, now go to question 29. Question 29, from C. Okay, from C, form a north, and then it's SC connecting line, and it's 68 degrees. So this is 68 degree. And we need to find C from S. From S, form a north, C. So it's going all the way like this because the connecting line is CS. Okay, so this one also the same. It's 68 degree, 68 degree. This is alternate angle 68, and this is 180. So it made up of 180 plus 68, which is 248. Okay, I think most of your answer here correct. Okay, the answer is 248. Please tick. Okay, question 30. L from S. From S here we form a north, and connecting line from SL. From S and L, LS here, and then it's 106. So here is 106. Now we need to find S from L. Okay, L from a north, and then this is the connecting line. So the angle is clockwise like this. Okay, so to find this, same thing. Okay, you see an alternate angle here, 106. So this is 106. and this is 180, so the bearing is 180 plus 106. 180 plus 106, so it's 286 degree. Okay, take this answer. Okay, question 31. S from L, from L north, SL connecting line, and then clockwise like this is 289. Okay, and then L from S. So L from S from a north, and then SL. So this is the angle that you need to find. Okay, so the angle will be alternate angle. So this is the angle that you need to find, which is the same as this. So this one is 289, the whole thing, minus 180. So 289 minus 180, you get 109 degree. That's the answer. Tick also the answer if correct. Okay, then the bearing of C from S is 258. From S, from a north, C, so 285 like this. And S from C. Okay, so from C here, north, CS connecting line, so this is the angle that you need to find. Okay, so alternate angle also, I think most of the question here is mostly alternate angle, yeah? So this angle, same with this angle, so we need to find this angle, and this angle is 258 minus 180. This is 180. So 258 minus 258 minus 180, you'll get this angle here, which is 78 degree, but in bearing you need to write 078. Okay, question 33. S from L, so from the word L, you go to L from a north, SL is the connecting line, and 294 like this. This is 294, and you need to find L from S. From S, from a north, L connecting line, this is the angle that you need to find. Okay, also same, alternate angle. So this angle, same with this angle. So this angle here, you need to find 294 minus 180. So it's 114 degree. Okay, easy. Okay, let's go to 35. Don't forget to tick also 114 just now, if correct. And the 078 just now, okay? Then question 35. S from L. Okay, you go to L from a north, and then connecting line is SL and 289. This is 289. Okay. Oh, this is 289. This is also 289. Okay. So from L, here is 289. And then L from S. From S, I form a north. And then connecting line is SL, so this is the angle on the bearing. So again, alternate angle. So this is 180. So to find this angle, which is the same as this angle, same thing, 289 minus 180, you get 109 degree. Okay, take the answer. Okay, so you can look at all the answers here. I already highlight for you. Tick all the answers together. Okay, so we proceed to the next question here. 1. Okay, so all this, you need to state the bearing, and then all is from O. Okay, so this one easy, okay? Everything is from O. So your O is here. You form a north and then see what they want. So you need to draw a connecting line, AO. So AO is here. So this angle is obviously 31. So this is 031 degree. Okay, don't forget the 0 in front. And then next is B from O. So your B is here. Your north, you form from O. This is the connecting line. And the angle you need to find is like this. So to find this angle, we know that this is 180, you minus this 60. Okay, so 180 minus 60 is 120 degree. That's the answer. Okay, now you look at the third one. C from O. Also from O, form a north, and then C, you go to C, draw a connecting line. Okay, and then it's from north, go all clockwise all the way like this. Okay, so what do you have here is, you know that this whole thing until here is 270. Okay, so 270, you minus this 27, you will get the green one, the bearing. Okay, so 270 is from here until here, you minus this 27, you will get this green one. Okay, so this is 270 minus 27, you get 243 degree. Okay, now let's look at last one, D from O. From O, you form a north, and then you draw a connecting line DO, and then it's clockwise. Don't do 45. 45 is wrong because 45 is anti-clockwise already. So from here we know that this full circle is 360. You minus off this 45, you will get this. So 360 minus 45, you get 315 degree. So from here you need to know that you have to know your angle, your basic foundation of angles to do bearing. Okay, so now let's look at question 2. Please tick all this answer if you're already done, and if it's correct, please tick all. Then look at question 2. The bearing of B from A. Okay, we see one by one. From A, north, and then connecting AB. So this bearing is the one that we need to find. Okay, so this angle here is 90 minus 33. Okay, because this whole thing is 90. You minus off this 33, you will get this leftover one. So 90 minus 33 is 57 degree. And for bearing, don't forget to put 0. Okay. Okay, so next one. You look at from A. From A, From A, also the same. Form a north, already north. C, connecting CA here. So the bearing is from north, go down like this. Okay, so to find this, what information do we have? Okay, to find this whole thing. To find this, you need to use 180, okay, this straight line, minus this angle here. Okay, so first we need to find this angle, yeah? Or you can use another method. Okay, I teach you this method first. This method you can find here first by using 90 minus 68. Okay, because this is 68, this is 90, yeah? So you can use 90 minus 68. You get 22. So to get this bearing, you can use 180 to minus 22. Then you get this bearing. Okay, so this one is 180 minus 22. You get 158. Okay, or another method is, which I think is easier, okay, is we are finding this, right? This angle. So this angle is 90 plus 68. Okay, this angle can be 90 plus 68 also. Okay, so as long as you follow the rules of the angles, then the answer will still be the same, will be still correct. Okay, now you look at C. Part C, from B, from B. So from B, you draw a connecting line AB. From B here. From B, you need to draw a north first, connecting line to A. And then all the way clockwise like this. So this is the angle that you need to find. So what do you have now? Okay, you see, you found this one already just now is 57, right? Okay, so this is alternate angle. So this one is 57. So this whole bearing here will be made of 180 plus 57. Okay, this is 180 plus with the 57 here. Okay, so 180 plus 57, you get 237 degree. Okay. Okay, let's look at the last part here. From C, I form a north, and then connecting line is A, C like that, so clockwise like this, huh? Okay, so what else do we have here? What information? Okay, you have a 68 here, yeah, 68, so we form a Z, alternate Z, or alternate Z. So this is 68. Okay, and this one until here is 270, 270. So the bearing is 270 plus 68. 270 plus 68. So 270 plus 68, we get 338 degree. Okay, so tick all your answer and do corrections if you have made any mistake. Okay. Okay, so today we're gonna go to Try It 14. Let's go to Try It 14, page 32. You need to copy the questions, okay? Okay, so in the diagram, a house B, okay, where's the house? House is here. Here is the house. It's 400 meters due south of a shop A. Okay, so now this one is telling you that this house is south of A, okay? Of course, because from A here, the south is here, south. North is up here, right? So south is down here, lor. Okay? So, next thing is, the bearing of a cafe are 115 and 141 from A and B. Okay, now, you have two bearings here. Okay, so don't confuse. I use a different highlight. A bearing of a cafe C are 115 from A. Okay, and 041 from B. Okay, so the purple one, the purple highlight that I show you, from A, here is the A. Okay, you need to draw a north, and then because we are talking about cafe C, so your connecting line is A to C. This is your C, and then which is 115, so here is 115. Okay, and the next one, the yellow highlight I show you here. Okay, the bearing of a cafe C, okay, is 41 from B. This word from is for A and also for B, for both of them. Okay, so from A and from B here, B. So I draw a north line here, and then 41 degree. Okay, it's also talking about cafe C. So this is a connecting line. So your angle of 41 is here. Always double check your answer. I mean double check your work, your draft here, whether it makes sense or not. For 115 degree, obviously it's obtuse angle, yes, correct. And you check 41 degree is acute angle, yes, it's correct, okay. So you double check like that, because sometimes if you find out your 41 degree is like this whole until here 41 degree, it doesn't make sense. So there's something wrong when you read the question, okay. Okay, so find the distance BC. Okay, so we need to find this distance of BC, this length here. Okay, so we have the angle already. So I'll erase all this to not confuse you. I will just write down the angle. 41 degree here, 115 there. Okay, the distance of BC. So to find this BC, how are we going to find this length? So first we need to find what angle is here, because we have 180 degree here. Huh? Okay, so 180 degree here, this angle will be 180 minus 115. You will get 65 degree. Okay, so my angle of BAC is 180 minus 115, which is 65 degree. Okay, so I will fill in here as 65. Okay, I hope you don't confuse here. Okay, so we already have 65 and 41 in this triangle ABC. Okay, then we can find this angle here, right? So this angle here is 180 minus 65 minus 41. Go ACB is equal to 180 minus 65 minus 41. So I get 74 degree. Okay, so here angle is 64 degree. Okay, so now we can use our sine rule, okay, sine rule to do this question because we are finding BC. So the length of BC comes from this angle, the opposite angle is that, and then this sine for this 74, the opposite length is 400. So we can use sine rule now, okay? This is A. So length of BC over sine 65 equals to 400 over sine 74. Okay, so we are using this one and 674 angle and the 400 to find our length of BC. Okay, so here, continue. BC is equals to, I move the sine 65 there, so 400 over sine 74 times sine 65. Okay, so you find the answer, the long one, and then I make it into 3 sig fig for you already here, 377 meter. Okay, so this one is already 3 sig fig. You fill in yourself this one. Okay, so BC is 377 meter. Okay, so next question is, they're asking you to find shortest distance. Shortest distance from C to the line AB. From C, okay, I'm gonna erase everything, this one also. From C, you need to draw that line, dotted line, because shortest distance means it form a 90 degree. Because from the length C to here is the shortest one, compared to like this length like that, right? To the line AB. All line here long. Okay, if you see the line is longer at this, the line that I'm drawing now. But then the shortest that we can find to connect to AB, to the line AB is this. So this is the line that we're gonna find. Okay, I put X. Okay, I put an X here. So we have this triangle here. This triangle we can use SOHCAHTOA. Okay, we need to know the basic foundation of SOHCAHTOA. We have opposite as your X and we have hypotenuse as your 377. Then we use SOH. Okay, which is sine. So sine 41 degree is equals to X over 377. Okay, so I move my 377 to the other side, become times. So X equals to 377 times sine 41. So 3 sig fig. Okay, this one you fill in yourself. 3 sig fig is 247 meter. Okay, that's for try it 14. Now let's look at try it 15. Okay, the diagram shows the positions of a lighthouse H. Okay, the lighthouse H is here, and two boats A and B. Okay, A and B are the two boats. The bearings of A and B from H are 131 and 54. So we have two bearing here, and both are also from H. Okay, from H. Okay, so from H here, So bearing of A, 31. Bearing of B, 0.54. Okay? Okay, so from H here, we form a north. Okay, so the connecting line A to H, the blue one, is 131. Here, the whole thing here is 131. And B, okay, from H also, B, connecting line is H to B here, is 54. Here is 54. Okay, 131 is this whole thing, but 54 is this whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna erase the connecting line. Okay, so 131 is here. This whole thing is 131. Here until here is only 54. Okay, so we're gonna find distance of between A and B. So this is the distance that we're gonna find. Okay, so from the information given here, we know that this angle here, okay, the green one, is 131 minus 54. Okay, this green one here is 131 minus 54. Okay, because the total 54 plus the green line is 131. Okay, so this one will be 77. Okay, 77. So, okay, I erase to not confuse you. I will write 77 here. I don't need the 131 anymore because I already used that 131. So 131 minus 54, you get 77. This whole thing here is 131, by the way. Okay, so my working here, I write angle BHA is equals to 131 minus 54, which is 77 degree. Okay, why do I find this angle 77? Because this triangle ABH, we can find the length of AB using cosine rule. Okay, cosine rule. Because sine rule, if you use sine rule, you will have two unknowns. So we use cosine rule. Okay, so cosine rule here, we will use AB square equals to, you can refer to the formula of your cosine rule. Okay, so AB square equals to 33 square plus 24 square minus okay. So remember, when you want to find AB, the opposite angle that you want to use is angle 77. Okay, so AB equals to square root of what number? You fill in yourself. And then equals to what number? Also you fill in yourself. And then 3 significant figure is 36.2 kilometer. Okay, so this is the answer. For part B, the bearing of A from B. Okay, so now they're asking you to find bearing. Okay, BA, the connecting line is BA, this BA. And then from B, you need to form a north. And then the angle or the bearing that you need to find is the whole thing here like this. Okay, so to find this, okay, here, okay, I think I need to use a thinner one. North. The bearing that you need to find is from here until here like that. Okay, right, so how are we going to find this angle here? So first, I think you need to find this angle here. So to find this angle here, okay, what we have here is, okay, alternate angle. Look for alternate angle. Here is 54, the alternate angle 54 like that. Like that. You see the alternate angle here like that, until here is 54. So 54 is this, 54 ni lah 54. Okay. Okay na. 54 is this until here. Okay, so this 54, you need to minus you need to minus the angle inside the triangle. Okay, inside the triangle. You need to minus the angle here, the blue one, this one. Then only you can find the green one. Okay, only you can find this, the arrow that I am asking you to find here. Okay, so first we have to find this angle lah. To find the angle, you need to use sine rule. Okay, sine rule here. So we use 24 and this angle, and 77 with AB. AB we already found just now, 36.2. Okay, 36.2. Actually, before round off is 36.1756. Okay, we use that. So we use sine rule first. So sine angle HBA, this HBA here, over 24, the opposite length is 24, equals to sine 77 over 36.1756. Okay, so you have to find this angle HBA, which is also equals to you shift sine the whole thing. Okay. And tell me what is the answer after 3 significant figure. Oh, this one no need 3 sig fig because this is not your final answer. Okay, I'll tell you what is the answer. 40.24 degree. Okay, this is 40.24 degree. So we have found this angle, which is 40.24. So to find this green one, the angle here, this one, we use 54 to minus 40.24. Okay, so you will get 13.76 degree. So bearing is 180 plus this 13.76, which is 193.76. And for angle, you need one decimal place, so 193.8 degree. Okay? Okay, so now we go to the last question of this lesson, which is page 34, exercise 7.5. This is question number 5. Okay, so also copy the question, please. Okay, so this question, the diagram shows the relative positions of 3 cities A, B, C. The diagram is already there. The bearing of B, okay, you just need to read the question very careful. The bearing of B from A is 63. So from A, north, draw a north there, and then connecting line AB, this is 63 degree. The bearing of C from B is 153. So 153 is, you need to draw a north here from B, and then connecting line is BC. Okay, BC, yeah. So this whole thing is 153 degree. Okay, I can erase the arrow so not to confuse you, because we just need the angle. Okay, so AB equals to 9 is already there, and BC 11. Okay, find the distance of AC. So you need to find this length of AC, this length. Okay, so we need to find out how to find AC. Before that, you need to know your knowledge of the angle, as I say, angle and also trigonometry. Okay, okay, so to find this one, you have 63 already. Okay, you already have the 63. So what we're gonna do here is this 63 alternate Z. So here is also 63 lah. Okay. And then another thing is, we know that this is a straight line. 180. When you minus this 153, you can find this angle here now. Okay, so this angle here is 180 minus 153. Okay, so 180 minus 153 is 27. Okay, so this is 27 degree. Okay, so after that, if we have 27 and 63, so this total up to 90. Okay, so I will erase all this. I will just write 90 because I don't want too many things here. Here will be 90. 90 is like this. Okay, 90 degree. Okay, this 90 made up of this alternate angle 63 and also this angle here 27, which is 180 minus 53, 153. Okay. Okay, so how do we find this? Okay, you can use cosine rule, but you don't need that because this is a 90 degree. If we have a 90 degree triangle, to find the other length, we can use Pythagoras theorem, okay? So we use Pythagoras theorem to find length of AC. So opposite of 90 is AC, so it's a hypotenuse lah. So hypotenuse here, we can find using Pythagoras. We can use find using C square equals to A square plus B square. Okay, so AC equals to square root of, you find it yourself, and then 3 sig fig 14.2 kilometer. Okay, fill in by yourself here. Okay, so part B, they're asking you to find the bearing of A from C. Okay, from C. So you go to from C, form a north, and then connecting line is AC because you are finding A. So, oh, my length so chat. So the bearing is the whole thing until here. Okay, so how are you going to find this angle here? So before that, okay, so what you're going to do is you need to find this angle. Okay, find this angle first. Okay, so before even you find this angle, you can know that this whole thing is 360. This circle is 360. You can minus the small angle. Okay, wait. This angle you need to find. This whole thing 360 minus the yellow angle, this angle that we're gonna find later, and also this angle here. Okay, but how are we finding? How are we gonna find this angle here? Okay, just now we already have the angle over here. This one, you can see the alternate angle like that. So it will be this angle, same with this angle here, which is 27. Okay, so we use 360 to minus this 27 and this yellow angle that we're gonna find. So this angle that we're gonna find here, the yellow one, we can use tan. We can use tan or use SOHCAHTOA tan because opposite we have 9, adjacent we have 11. So we use tan angle BCA equals to opposite 9 over 11. So angle BCA is shift tan 9 over 11. So you will get 39.289 degree. Okay, so this angle here is 39.289. Okay, so the bearing is 360 minus 27 minus 39.289 degree. Okay, so the answer is 293.7 degree. 1 decimal place for angle degree. Okay, so that's for question 5 and that's it. I think bearing is a bit hard to grasp if you don't know the knowledge of your angles and also SOHCAHTOA and your sine rule, cosine rule. Okay, so for this lesson 6, okay, I want to see your try it 14 and 15. Okay, and then exercise 7.5, which is this question 5 here. And I add on 2 more questions for you. This one we already discussed, which is question 3 and question 4 as your homework. Okay, so yeah, you copy questions, okay, and draw out the diagram. Okay, all right, thanks for today. That's all.